Hello everyone, welcome to my new blog. Today I will show you 4 refreshing summer drinks which you can prepare it at your home very easily. In this hot weather, when the temperature reaches up to 45 degrees centigrade, we all need to be hydrated with plenty of water. Today I will show you 4 refreshing drinks which you can have whenever you get very exhausted for this hot summer. I will show you raw mango and mint leaves refreshing drink, virgin mojito, cucumber refreshing drink, and soda orange squash. Please watch the video till end. Those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe for getting more exciting videos. So let's get started. First I will show you raw mango and mint leaves refreshing drink. How to prepare this? For this, we require sliced raw mango, mint leaves, sugar, or you can use sugar-free gold, rock salt. How to prepare it? For this, in a mixing jar, first put the raw mangoes, then the mint leaves, a pinch of rock salt, sugar, or if you are a diabetes patient, please use sugar-free gold. Then blend it in a thick smooth paste. Then put some ice cubes in a glass and then add the thickened paste to it. Now pour chilled water and fill the glass. For garnishing, I am using a slice of a lime and few pudina leaves. Mint leaves and raw mango stimulates your digestive system. Whenever you get very exhausted in this hot sun, please have it and refresh your body. Our next drink is cucumber drink. To prepare this drink, we require pieces of cucumber, small pieces of ginger, rock salt, few mint leaves, and I am using here sugar-free gold. You can use sugar or jaggery powder too. In a blending jar, put the cucumber and ginger, few mint leaves, small amount of rock salt, a little bit of sugar free and blend it. Now take a glass, pour the mixture in the glass and our summer coolant cucumber drink is ready. Garnish it with pudina leaves and a piece of lime. This cucumber drink is body coolant and removes the toxin from your body. Our next drink is Virgin Mojito, which I prefer the most in the summer season. To prepare this, we need again some mint leaves, pieces of lemon, a little bit of rock salt. I am using 7-Up for this drink. You may use Sprite or soda water too. How to prepare this? In a iron grinding jar, put some mint leaves. Grind it a little in this way. Now put the slices of this lime. Again grind it a bit. Now take a glass and pour some ice cubes in it. And then add the grinded lime and mint leaves to it. Now I am adding the 7-Up to it. You can use Sprite or soda water too. And our Virgin Mojito is ready. This drink is very tasty and I personally prefer this drink after lunch or dinner. Prepare this Virgin Mojito at your house and comment me how is it. Our next drink is orange squash soda. It is very easy to prepare. For this, we require orange squash of any company, soda water, to prepare this, take a glass, pour some pieces of lemon and rock salt to it. Now, add the orange squash, 4-5 tablespoons of orange squash we need. Then add the soda water. Fill the glass with this soda water. And our orange lime soda is ready to drink. This drink is also very refreshing and very easy to prepare. Please prepare this at your home and drink it, and wow, it looks so colorful and yummy. So these are my 4 drinks, which is summer coolant drinks. Please prepare this at your home to get refreshed from this hot summer. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in another video. Stay connected. Goodbye.